Hi everyone, back with me again in the channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can blend two videos together on a CapCut PC using the masking feature. So first, just add the video that you want to combine. So I've already add the first video and I'm going to just add the other one, add it to track and put one of the video to the top or make it as overlay like this. And after that you just need to go to the masking feature here. So click on the video tab, then click on masking, then select the split options. So if you want to combine like horizontally like this, you can just do that by dragging the arrow and you'll be combining your video horizontal like this. To make it vertical, you can just rotate the masking to 90 degrees like this, or the how much you want, and then drag the arrow to have the fade effect like this. Okay, and after that you are done. So the video will go like this. Okay guys, that's all for this video. Please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and leave a comment and click on